your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends you only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes.
Good morning, everybody. Today is a Sunday, and honestly, I look absolutely gross today for some reason. Well, actually, I know the reason. I took a flu shot yesterday, and then I didn't take a shower last night. I know. And then usually when I don't take a shower, even like for a day, like my hair gets really greasy, and I just feel really disgusting. And my arm hurts a little bit. I should not use this hand to hold this camera. So I just kind of wanted to treat myself. It's also, you know, the last weekend that I can really like spend by myself. So I'm actually gonna go thrifting today. We're gonna go thrifting at Goodwill and then stop by my favorite hot chicken sandwich place. I've not had their sandwich for a really long time, and I love it so much. And I've been craving it for a really long time. So I think that's just the best way to kind of start my Sundays and, you know, make this week awesome, as it always is. Let's go to Goodwill. I'm so cold. It's freezing. I'm so cold right now. Give you guys a quick haul of what I bought. I didn't buy a lot. Actually, I did buy a lot. First, I bought this blue cotton dress. If you guys know, I always wear my yellow dress when I'm doing like house chores, and I wanted more dresses like that, so I got this one because I felt like the same material, like 100% cotton and all that. And then yeah, I bought another dress like that. I've been into house chore dresses, I guess, so this is another one of my, gonna be one of my house chore cleaning dresses. And then I got this pink dress that's a little bit figure hugging, which I love. I'm actually going to a Peg Earrings concert very soon, and I wanted to pick an outfit for that, and I just thought like this dress was gonna be perfect for that occasion. I know it's gonna be super cold though because it's a summer dress, but I tried it on and I liked it, and I like the color, and I thought it was gonna go well with my leather jacket, so I liked it. And then I found a really, really good find. I was kind of surprised to find this, but I got these charcoal Zara pants, which I think they're really like a popular pant for Zara in Zara. It's my size, which is really difficult to find in a Goodwill. They're size 2. And then they're good material, you know, you can't go wrong with nice pair of pants. And then the last thing that I bought is, it's wrapped up, so I can't really show you guys, but it's a lamp, and it honestly gives like the best atmosphere, and I think it'll be perfect when I'm building like a little reading nook for my new apartment. So I was like, hey. I'm back with my Scuffle hot chicken. Good morning, everybody. Today I have to go to school. 11:30. My class starts at 11:30. And then I might have to go to like a volunteering thing with my sisters today because it's like a required thing. But it's also really raining right now, so I kind of don't want to go. got my Chipotle. I can't wait to go home and eat it. So right now it's around 3:41, and then I'm meeting my sisters at our Emory parking lot at 4, so we can just go in one car to go volunteering. It's still really cold, it's still raining. It's not the best day to do volunteering work outside, but we're helping shelter dogs, so that's pretty fun.
Why do I look like a bull leg in this?
We arrived. He a big dog. But you know that means more cuddling. Yeah. Why is this not? Oh yeah, coming out.
Like some cooking video.
But it's not.
It's not, yeah. It's other stuff. So I don't know.
It's just like metallic, hell of metallic. Good morning, or actually more like good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm actually, well, it's not really today. This evening, I'm actually going to a concert with a friend. Right now it's like 5:36. I have to go to my friend's house at 6, and we're taking an Uber, getting dinner, and going to this concert. What is this concert, you guys might ask? It's a classical Atlanta Symphony concert hall that they're doing Paganini. Okay, Paganini. Am I saying it wrong? But I've been obsessed with this violinist, classical music, orchestra, because I don't know, it's been rough a little bit this week, and I've just been listening to classical music and reading books, and that's only been the thing that's been comforting me for quite some time. And when I figured out that they're doing a concert, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go. So I dragged my friend into this, and I already did my makeup a little bit. I just did it a little bit lightly because I'm still kind of recovering from a rash that I got from using a product that I had allergies in that I didn't know about. So I'm just gonna do my hair, dress accordingly, and then head off. This nice outfit. And we're gonna go to my friend's house. We have to skedaddle. 오케이. 걸어가야 돼? 거기까지?
Oh yeah, I have so many cracks on my It's okay.
Hi.
How do you turn this off?
Oh, we're back in our car because our Uber canceled. And we had to wait 19 minutes, but it takes 19 minutes to drive there, so.
It is currently. Let's see how cold it is. So cold.
Yeah, you can do it in Fahrenheit.
It's currently 40 degrees Fahrenheit. We were outside for 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
And she wasn't even wearing stockings.
Okay, it's because I don't have any. Yeah. Say hello.
Well, it's not that controversial with it. I know some people are. We vibed though. 아니 너 그렇게 말하고 뭐. 아
진짜 먹을까?
아 많이 먹어 많이 먹어.
나 이거 먹고 싶어. 맛있네. 이거
가까이 읽고 싶은데.
It feels like Chicago, no?
It feels so pretty. We're lost in the city. We're lost in the city. We are lost in the city, everybody.
It's so cold.
It's so beautiful. It's so nice.
It's 30 degrees right now. And I am freezing.
That's because you're wearing a freaking mini dress.
We are late. We are late.
That's not my fault. 야, 진짜 이쁜데? 약간 대전 예술의 전당 같아.
약간 고소공포 찍히긴 해.
Oh, really?
Something degrees right now. I'm wearing this dress.
How was the concert?
That was so nice. Oh my god, I have school tomorrow. Oh my god.
It's MA.
It was so nice.
We should do this. I want you to go with the thing with me, the ballet with me.
I'll let you know.
Also, on December 1st, they're doing a Tchaikovsky thing. I was looking at it. Can we go see?
My name is MJ.
Well, that was a long day. It was long, but very productive, very fun. Right now it's 10:53. Wow, it's 10:53 big. I'm gonna take my makeup off, take a shower, and then probably go to sleep. I was planning to do some other stuff, but I'm just super tired from all the driving and all the other stuff, so